Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send silent messages on Facebook Messenger. These messages won't trigger a notification on the receiver's phone. Whether they're using an iPhone, Android, or Samsung device. If this video helps you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app and go into any chat. When you're ready to type your message, start by typing // on the keyboard. After typing the /, you'll see the silent option appear. Tap on silent. Now type your message and send it as usual. Your message will be sent quietly without sending a notification to the other person's phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.